What should you do to open a PDF document that contains specific text? Option A. Choose Edit Find, type the text and click Next. Option B. Choose Edit Find, type the text and click Previous. Option C. Choose Edit Search, type the text, select the option to search in the current PDF document, then click the Search button. Option D. Choose Edit Search, type the text and select the option to search all PDF documents in a designated folder, then click the Search button. The correct answer is option D. You want to create a link to a different file from an existing bookmark in a PDF document. Which process takes you to a dialog box that will enable you to do this? Option A. Double-click the bookmark name. Option B. Select the bookmark and choose Set Destination from the Options menu. Option C. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, macOS, the bookmark and choose Properties. Option D. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, macOS, the bookmark and choose Set Destination. The correct answer is option C. You want to change the section of a PDF document that is being displayed in the Loop Tool window while maintaining the current magnification factor. What should you do? Option A. Move the rectangular marquee displayed in the document. Option B. Move the rectangular marquee displayed within the Loop Tool window. Option C. Right-click, Windows, or Control-click, macOS, in the Loop Tool window, scroll the display within the Loop Tool window. Option D. Hold down the spacebar while clicking in the Loop Tool window to drag the display within the Loop Tool window. The correct answer is option A. You have selected Allow Fast Web View as an option for viewing PDF documents in a web browser. What must you do to continue downloading the entire PDF document in the background while you view the first page of requested information? Option A. Use Inline Autocomplete. Option B. Allow speculative downloading in the background. Option C. Choose LAN from the Connection Speed pop-up menu. Option D. Force off-screen compositing even under terminal service. The correct answer is option B.